Have you checked your tax compliance status lately? Your compliance status is not fixed. It changes based on your tax behavior, which can impact your business opportunities. Staying compliant opens doors, while non-compliance can limit them. Save time by using our digital channels to get your tax compliance status PIN in seconds. A green status on e-filing or the SARS MOBI app means you're compliant. SMMEs, here's what you need to be tax compliant. First, register for all required tax types. Second, submit all tax returns on time. And third, pay any outstanding tax debt by the due date. Even if your company has never traded, you're still required to submit the ITR 14 form to SARS. And remember, only a registered representative can submit this on behalf of your company. Submitting your company's financial information to the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, or CIPC, is a great first step. But don't forget, you must still file your company's income tax return, or ITR 14, with SARS to remain compliant. If your company has multiple registered representatives, one must be officially designated as the representative person to handle tax matters with SARS. Make tax matters a priority. SARS e-filing is available 24/7, so you can submit your income tax return from the comfort of your home or office anytime. Visit sars.gov.za to make your tax matters a priority. Your tax matters. SARS at your service.